This Nigerian childhood candy is made with just 3 ingredients, and today I'll be showing you exactly how to make it. Can you guess why I'm pouring the rice in the cup? If you want to know, keep watching. I'm cutting the brown pepper because that's what I'll be using to roll the sugar candy. This Nigerian sugar candy is so good. I remember then they used newspaper to do it for us. Yes, old newspaper for that matter. But now we are in better days, so you can use parchment paper, you can use brown pepper like I did in this video. Just make sure your cone is rolled properly. The cone is rolled properly and it's reinforced. I actually stick my cone together using pepper tape. You can reinforce your cone using gum, super glue, or whatever it is that you have that can bring it together properly. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma living. I am Ijeoma and this is my channel. I show you how to make Nigeria dishes, Nigeria recipes, simple snacks, things you enjoy, forgotten recipes and all that. I show you step by step so that any person can easily replicate it. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in today, and feel free to like my video. If you like what I do, subscribe. Thank you very much. For my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for all your support and keep enjoying the video. The rice keeps the cone standing upright while we prepare our candy syrup. That is the job of the rice. Now you know. The next step is to dissolve the sugar. So you'll be needing a clean pan or pot or saucepan. Carefully pour in 1 cup of sugar into the pan, add half cup of water, and you'll be needing lemon juice. This homemade Nigeria sugar candy is made with just 3 ingredients. Once you pour the 3 ingredients into the saucepan, you start stirring. You mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. When the syrup starts to boil, you stop stirring. It's very crucial you don't stir the sugar candy when it starts to boil. Allow it to continue to boil or cook until it becomes golden amber color. To know when your sugar candy is ready to be brought down from the heat, do a water test. Take a little bit of sugar candy syrup, drop it in a cold water. If it forms a ball immediately, it's ready. But if it flattens and starts dissolving in the water, it's not ready. You can see this formed a ball immediately. I'm going to show it to you. It's ready. So bring it out from the heat. You don't want it to burn. Now, without wasting much time, you're going to pour it into the already molded cone. This is where your reinforcement pays off. If the cones are not properly rolled or reinforced or held together, when you pour in this sugar candy, because it's hot, it's going to scatter. The pepper is going to loosen up and collapse. After carefully pouring in the sugar candy or the hot sugar syrup into the pepper cones, the next step is to insert the toothpick and allow the sugar candy to cool for a few minutes. When it cools down, it's going to harden, and that is when you can easily peel the homemade Nigerian sugar candy. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, okay? And I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I deeply appreciate. Feel free to share this video to someone that needs it, okay? And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Look out for more recipes. Mwah.